Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And we are beginning the week a bit soggy because we are in a next weather alert for Monday and Tuesday.
When you wake up tomorrow morning, you may say there's no rain, and that's expected, but it's
wait
the
for
afternoon.
it.
Right, there's going to be a lot of rain all at once here. We have the next weather alert both Monday and Tuesday here for these rounds of rain each afternoon. That will be up to about 5 inches total here, and that could lead to flooding, and it'll be quick rain, so that could lead to flash flooding here across the area. We did have some showers that did work through the area here, and that is what is clearing across the area right now. Things are a little calmer here tonight, and that'll be the trend till you wake up tomorrow morning. We will see these showers that push just off the coast here. The next weather radar is tracking all the activity. Storms have moved off. They're moving out of the Keys, so a pretty quiet night tonight, even though a few rumbles of thunder could still be heard in some of those Keys there, and just off the coast you might see a lightning flash or two. It is moving away. We had inches of rain come down today. In fact, close to 3 inches of rain up around Pompano Beach, about an inch or two a bit farther south. The ground is wet. Additional rain amounts a bit more widespread could lead to flooding. That's why a flood watch is in effect there through tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are holding steady into the upper 70s, lower 80s. That's what you'll wake up to tomorrow morning. Next weather alert we're putting in effect tomorrow because this is a disturbance. It's an area of low pressure. It is not a tropical system yet. There is development, but that's not till next week. Even with that, a lot of moisture here, and where this is set up, we'll have heavy rain and flooding right along the east coast there. That's tomorrow. It will work its way across the peninsula on Tuesday, and the breeze actually starts to turn a bit to the southeast. Now the heavy rain's trying to move a bit farther inland, but it's close enough where we could see repeated rounds of heavy rain, and that could lead to some flooding here. Next weather rain tracker will show exactly when we expect to see the heaviest rain coming in. It's not in the morning. This is what it looks like at 12, so it's still pretty quiet. 12 to 2, that's when the flood watch goes into effect. There's the heavy rain coming in, rounds of rain right along the east coast here, and that is what is the big concern there tomorrow afternoon. It'll wind down at night. It's just in the afternoon and evening. There it is, quiet overnight Monday, but Tuesday, more showers could be expected, again with that breeze coming in from the southeast that could work their way through the area in the morning and push to the interior in the afternoon, but will lower the rain chances just a bit there on Tuesday. Rain amounts right along the east coast there. That's what we can expect through Monday. A lot of this coming down Monday and through Tuesday. That's what we can expect with the forecast. We'll keep it just a rain chance at 10% tomorrow, but it really goes up noon, 3, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And then we track the tropics by the middle of the week here. Our next weather tropics tracker showing that this area of low pressure may try to develop as it moves into the northern Gulf there by the middle of the week. This is what it looks like on the water tomorrow. Showers and storms will be a little gusty around them. Otherwise, the breeze is only about 5 knots there coming in, variable in the Keys. Next weather alert Monday and Tuesday. Make sure you get your day started 5 a.m. with Lisette Gonzalez. You'll have an update on the forecast. We'll keep the showers and storms in the forecast, but lower the rain chances there Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, back down to about 20% Saturday and Sunday.